Grown what again? How many ghosts are there in this town? Whatever. I'll tell Mom about it in the morning.
So change your mind about ghosts yet?
Keep up that sass, and I'll hunt you even harder.
Hey, Mom. Do you know if you missed any ghosts around here? I've been hearing a lot of moaning at night lately. It'd be pretty bad for bussiness if we had some around here, right?
Really, dear? Well, maybe I missed one. I'll look into it. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content.